भला किसी का कर ना सके तो बुरा किसी का मत करना। कोरोना रोक नहीं सकते तो फिर फैलाया भी मत करना। Hello everybody and namaskar. Today whole world is facing the crucial time in which COVID-19 has panicked the whole world. On behalf of prestigious St. Teresa School, Srinagar Gadwal, I, Deepika Khanna, is making you aware with the present situation of coronavirus. My dear audience, it is the time to save ourselves with the protective measures of coronavirus. Life is very precious, must save it. Let us talk on coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Corona means crown. So this refers to the way that the virus looks under the microscope like there's a crown on the top of the virus. Some of them 4 or 5 different kinds cause common diseases amongst humans. Everything from the common cold to mild and moderate respiratory illness. Other kinds of coronavirus affects animals and some things on rare occasions. We see coronavirus jump from animal species into the human population. Why this one getting so much attention on coronavirus? The year 2019 novel coronavirus is getting a lot of attention now because it is a new kind of virus and we have not seen among humans before. The theory behind this is it may have jumped from an animal species into the human population and then begins. We have seen some people that have died of this disease and we know that there are already thousands of cases available here. So people are concerned because we don't yet know how exactly how serve the disease will be or how far it will spread. Now, my lovely audience, here we have the graph of this pandemic COVID-19. Here we have a graph on the screen. Each day shows new cases reported since the previous day. Now you can see the total cases in Uttarakhand. Total cases 68,002, recovered 62,483 and death 1,102. After seeing this graph, you will notice, my dear audience, the coronavirus is increasing day by day. No problem, अपनी immunity को strong बनाइए and definitely we will fight against coronavirus. अब समय हो चुका है हिंदी की कुछ पंक्तियां गुनगुनाने का, तो मैं इसके लिए आराध्य पवार को इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी. आराध्य पवार.
मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है, घर से कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना है, हाथों को किसी से मिलाना नहीं है, चेहरे को हाथ से नहीं लगाना है, बार बार अच्छे से हाथ धोना है, सैनिटाइजर करके देश को स्वच्छ बनाना है, बचाव ही इलाज है यह समझाना है, मिलकर कोरोना को हराना है. So, my dear friend, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
धन्यवाद आराध्य. Now, here are some pictures sent by our students of St. Teresa's School about coronavirus. Thank you, students. It's time to listen the poem of Vaishnavi Mishra. So I would like to call upon Vaishnavi Mishra to present a brief poem on coronavirus.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to speak a poem on coronavirus or COVID-19. The world is getting wounded and every life is counted. The time on the clock is ticking. How you are going to save your living? They say it is a respiratory disease. The symptoms are general like fever or even a sneeze. It wears a crown of spikes. Thus, this is called coronavirus. It nicknames as COVID-19 till the date nobody makes its vaccine. There is no treatment, cure or surgery. Let us kill the virus starting from our home. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for enlightening us with your beautiful poem. Here we have the symptoms of coronavirus on the screen. Number 1, dry cough. Number 2, high fever. A person is suffering from high fever. Third symptom is sore throat. Fourth symptom is difficulty in breathing. Now we see how it spreads coronavirus. Number 1, air by cough or sneeze. Number 2, personal contact with others. So just avoid the personal contact. Number 3, contaminated objects. It is very dangerous for us. And the last one is mass gathering. It's time to pay attention on prevention of coronavirus. First prevention of coronavirus is wash your hands oftenly. Just look at here. हमें सब थोड़ा सा हैंड वॉश लेना है और फिर इस हैंड वॉश को अपने हैंड में 15 से 20 सेकंड तक अच्छे से रब करना है so that the virus remove from your fingers as well as hands. इसको अच्छे से रब करने के बाद you will wash your hands. सेकेंड प्रिवेंशन इज वेयर अ फेस मास्क. आपको ये मास्क इस तरीके से पहनना है ताकि नोज और माउथ अच्छे से कवर हो सके. अगर नोज थोड़ा सा भी छूट जाता है तो आपके जर्म्स पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं डायरेक्टली नोज से एंटर हो सकते हैं. तो प्रॉपरली आपको फेस मास्क को पहनना है. इन दिस वे यू विल वेयर अ फेस मास्क. थर्ड प्रिवेंशन ऑफ कोरोना वायरस इज अवॉइड कॉन्टैक्ट विथ सिक पर्सन. आपको जो सिक पर्सन है उनसे थोड़ा सा दूरी बना के रखना है. अगर आपको उनको कुछ मील या वेजिटेबल या फ्रूट्स लेकर जा रहे हैं तो आप थोड़ा डिस्टेंस में वहाँ पे रख दीजिएगा और फिर कम बैक. ओके, सो दिस इज द थर्ड प्रिवेंशन. एंड फोर्थ प्रिवेंशन ऑफ कोरोना वायरस इज ऑलवेज कवर योर कफ और स्नीज. जब कभी हमें खांसी आती है तो हमें अपने हैंड के अंदर पे खांसना चाहिए ताकि इसके जर्म्स बाहर ना फैल सके, आपकी वजह से कोई दूसरा इंसान इन्फेक्टेड ना हो सके. या कभी स्नीजिंग आती है तो ऐसे करके आप स्नीज करिएगा ताकि आपकी पार्टिकल्स आप तक रहे, दूसरा पर्सन इससे इन्फेक्टेड ना हो. सो दीज आर द 4 प्रिवेंशंस ऑफ कोरोना वायरस. St. Teresa family is very much concerned about their students as well as parents. So it is a humble request to everybody to protect yourself on coronavirus. Safety from corona is hidden in the word corona itself, where C stands for clean your hand. O stands for off from gathering. R stands for raise your immunity. O stands for only to wear mask, face mask. N stands for no to hand shake. A stands for avoid reminiscence. कोरोना हारेगा, भारत जीतेगा. कोरोना के कहर से बचे, घर पर रहे, सुरक्षित रहे. Stay home, stay alert, stay healthy. Just have a beautiful life ahead.